Hi there, welcome to my Wisely Stream and Tech channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Tor browser safely on Android 2020. I will show you all of the steps in this video related to installation guide and will show you how to browse Tor browser safely on Android. Before beginning to this video, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. First thing first, what you need to do is first of all you need to go to your Android mobile device. Make sure you must be using latest mobile device. Then you need to go to the Play Store. There you need to search Tor browser. The icon of that Tor browser will be shown to you like this. That is like the onion symbol. The rating of this app is really good with 4.2 rating and 1 million plus downloads. As it is available on the Play Store, so it is not a third-party app. It is safe to install. So you need to click on install and start installing this app on your phone. After installation, this installed app will be shown to your applications. Now the second step, we need to install another app which is Orborg. This app comes as the proxy of the Tor. So again you need to go to the Play Store and search there Orborg. Its symbol is just like onion. So you need to click on install and start installing this application. Now to add some extra layer of security to protect your IP while accessing Tor on your Android, you must install VPN. Here in a VPN you must install Melon VPN because this is really fast VPN with some great servers and it takes very less bandwidth of your internet connection. So you must install it. It is available on a Play Store. First of all you need to open Orborg, which is the proxy of the Tor. You need to click on start, which is inside the onion symbol. You need to click on that. Then it will say Orborg is starting and creating connection. Then after onion icon will turn into green. Then it will show you the downloading and uploading status. For adding some extra layer of security, you must enable VPN mode also. Then after applying VPN mode, it will show you in the notification of your Android mobile device. To add even some more extra layer of security, you must connect with external VPN on your Android device. Then after you need to open Tor browser. Its interface will be like this. Here you need to click on connect. Then it will take some loading while connecting. Then after it will show you this screen. Here if you want to donate you can. Then after you need to open new window. There you need to type duckduckgo.com, which is the search engine of Tor network. This search engine is also in the Surface web. Here you need to search dark web links. Then in these websites you would be able to find huge collection of dark web links. Make sure you must use the updated links. Hopefully in my next coming videos I will show you how to browse onion links on Tor browser on your Android phone. This video was educational video. If you find this video really helpful, please hit the like button and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.